So hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. So guys, in this video we are going to discuss about a free certification course from Amazon based on machine learning. And as you guys can see, it is of 90 minutes, just 90 minutes, and it is fully completely in English. And also in this course you will be taught about the fundamentals or the basics of machine learning and how you can use Amazon Web Services technology in making business and technical de decisions. So it can be quite useful if you put this certificate in your resume, because machine learning is in a great trend now, and if you're getting a free certification course, then you should take it. And it will most likely to enhance your chances in getting a job. And mostly guys, there are also a lot of courses which are available for free in the internet. So if you guys want me to make videos on them, then do share this video and do like this video, and also do subscribe to my channel. And now let us start how we can enroll into this course. So guys, first of all you need to visit this website, that is aws.training. So I'll put the link to this website in my description, so make sure check it out. And after that you need to sign in, that is you have to sign in with your Amazon account or your AWS partner AWS account, whichever one you prefer. So I'm going to go with my Amazon account. I'm just going to sign in. So it is just a basic sign in. You have to put your mail ID and the password. And in case you don't have any Amazon account, then you can just create a new one by going over here, that is create your Amazon account. And after that you will be able to log in. So let me just log in and quickly show you the course. So guys, after logging in you you will be seeing the same page. And now here you will be getting this option to take the course. Since I've taken this course already, so here it is showing me to retake this course. So if I click on it, then as you guys can see, we have three modules out here. So module 1, 2 and 3. So we have to complete each module which is of 30 minutes. So 30 30 30, so a total of 90 minutes. So each module is of 30 minutes. And once you start yeah, with the first module, then you might see this screen that is showing that the pop-up is blocked. So just click on this launch course option, and it will be opened in a new window. So here, as you guys can see, I have completed all of them. So you have to just start from the beginning. And after each section, as you guys can see, this module contains the first module contains of 4 sections. So in the first 3 sections you will be given some assessment test which you need to perform after going through the module. So here, as you guys can see, you guys have to solve these questions, and once you submit it, then you will be able to move to the next sections. And if I just cancel it out, and after that, after completing each and every section, here you will see the option, a tiny option, which is the certificate of completion. So once you click onto it, then you guys will be able to get your certificate over here. So yes, this is quite an interesting course because it is not lengthy, and also you guys are getting a certificate. So definitely you should go and check out this course. And also, if you guys like this video, then do like and share this video, and also do subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. And till then guys, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Thank you.